Here's how to add a payment method on Amazon Associates to actually get paid. Now first there is also this, what you need to do if you have this banner right here on the home screen that says that you need to submit your tax information, then you should do that first, because if you don't do that, then you will not be paid anyways. Now I have a balance of about $19, but I haven't added my payment method yet. So to do this, what you want to do is click on your account right here, then click on account settings. That will take you right here. Now under payment and tax information, you want to click change payment method. Now even if you don't have one yet, you can just click on that. Now sometimes you will need to get a code on your phone number, but I've just done that, so therefore I don't need to do it again. Now here you can actually add a payment method, so just select whether you want to pay by gift card or check, then here enter the minimum amount, and then you can also choose to add a bank account if you'd like to, or add a new one right here. Now for the location, you can just pick any of these. I'm from the Netherlands, so I could select that one. Then here enter your details and click save changes, and then you will actually be paid into that bank account. And I think the schedule is once a month. I'm not entirely sure on what day, but you do again also need to submit your tax information. So to do that, you can also do it from your settings here, and then you can see view or provide tax information, United States current tax status incomplete. So you need to go and do this, and then you can actually get paid. So now you know how to add a payment method on Amazon Associates. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.